Good morning, students. Today in our science class, we will learn about domestic animals. Chapter 11, page 30. Domestic animals are the animals that depend on humans for its shelter, food, water, and general care. Example includes cow, buffalo, hen, duck, camel, bullock, goat, sheep, etc. Domesticated animals do not harm us. They live and help us in farm, in carrying loads, ploughing the field, that is hal chalana. Some also help us by providing milk, meat, fish, etc. In a nutshell, domestic animals are the animals captured and trained to live with humans to help us. They supply us many products, wool, leather, etc. Pets, on the other hand, are animals kept for companionship and for pleasure in the household. They are loved by the humans. There is a wide variety of pets, which includes dog, rabbit, cat, fish, etc. I hope now you all are aware of what domestic animals and pet animals are. Do the activity given in page 32 neatly. Color the animal given below yourself beautifully. That's all for today. Thank you.